Okay, picking up where we left off, let's talk about the second important thing you need to know about quotations, and that's what I call grammatical integration. This is a rule which basically states that if you cannot write your lead-in plus your quotation, if you removed all the quotation marks, if you were just writing yourself, if you wrote that sentence, would it make sense grammatically? That's the test for you about whether you're grammatically integrating your quotation correctly. If I removed all the quotation marks, would this make sense? Let's look at an incorrect example. This writer decided to give a lead-in that just doesn't work with the quotation that he's given. So the lead-in starts like this: Beowulf's reputation. Okay, that's a good subject. We would want a verb to follow that subject in a complete sentence. But unfortunately, what we have here is a quotation that just doesn't make sense. Beowulf's reputation, nor have I seen a mightier man at arms. If you remove this quotation mark right here, you would never write this sentence. Beowulf's reputation, nor have I seen. It doesn't make sense. So, what we need to do is we need to find a way to write an introductory lead-in that could make sense if we remove the quotation mark. So I've done that down here in this correct example. Let's take a look. So we start off with a lead-in. The poet establishes Beowulf's reputation when Hrothgar notes that, quote, nor have I seen a mightier man of arms. The reason why that works is that if we remove this quotation mark, the sentence grammatically makes sense. It's that simple. So this will require some playing around with the lead-in. This will require some playing around with what parts of the quotation you include or don't include, but ultimately it's a very simple test. Does it make sense?